Dude, where's my car? Where's your car, dude? Dude, where's my car? Where's your car, dude? Dude, where's my car? Where's your car, dude? Did I drive last night? Yeah, I think so. Really? I'm not sure. Dude, where's your car? Dude, it's not funny, dude. The car is gone. Yeah. Dude, where's my car? Shut up, dude! Man. How wasted were we last night? Well, I touched Christy Boner's hoo-hoo. We're on the hook for $200,000 that belongs to a transsexual stripper, and my car's gone. Said we were pretty wasted. Dude.
Are you Jesse and Chester?
Huh?
Are you Jesse and Chester?
I don't know, why?
If you are Jesse and Chester, perhaps we will give you erotic pleasure.
That's us! Right here! Dude, you got a tattoo! So do you, dude? No. Oh. Dude, what does my tattoo say? Sweet! What about mine? Dude, what does mine say? Sweet! What about mine? Dude, what does mine say? Sweet! What about mine? Dude, what does mine say? Sweet! What about mine? Dude, what does mine say? Sweet! What about mine? Dude, what does mine say? Sweet! What about mine? Dude, what does mine say? Sweet! Dude, you just touched Christy Boner's hoo-hoo. Shippy! Low five. Yeah. Let's get out of here. Dude! You gotta go. Are you crazy? I'm surrounded by breakdancing strippers. Seriously, dude, this is an emergency. So is this, dude. It's a breakdancing stripper emergency. Bye! Bye, Chester. I love you! Oh, Ikora! Ore tachimono! Nihongo! Oh! Hanasuzo! Sugei na!
Where is a continuum transfunctioner?
We don't have it, but we'd like you to meet our girlfriends, Wanda and Wilma.
Yeah, we've already met. You better stay away from our boyfriends, you fake-breasted sluts.
Quickly, you must give it to us so we can deactivate it. We are the keepers of the continuum transfunctioner. They will use it to destroy the universe.
No, we are the keepers of the continuum transfunctioner. They want to destroy the universe.
Stop copying us.
Stop copying us.
Stop copying us.
Stop copying us.
Bitch.
Damn. Now those are some big-ass pennies.
Yeah, I'd like to place an order.
What you like?
Yeah, I'd like 3 orders of garlic chicken.
And then?
And then 3 orders of white rice.
And then?
And then... Oh, hey, you guys want soup? Sure. Yeah, 3 orders of wonton soup.
And then?
Oh, some fortune cookies, too.
And then?
Gosh, I think that's about it.
And then?
No, that's it.
And then?
No, and then. That's all I want.
And then?
then nothing else, because I'm done ordering, okay?
And then?
No. See, all I want is the 3 orders of the garlic chicken and the 3 orders of the white rice.
And then?
And the soup, dude. Oh, and the wonton soup.
And then?
And a cookie's fortune.
Hey, and the fortune cookies. Yeah. So it's just the chicken, the rice, the soup, and the fortune cookies, and that's it.
And then?
And then you can put it in a brown paper bag and come put it in my hand, because I'm ready to eat.
And then?
I refuse to play your Chinese food mind games.
And then?
No, and then.
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 And then?
Then you're really starting to piss me off, lady. And then I'm gonna come in there and I'm gonna put my foot in your ass if you say and then again!
Last night, Jesse and Chester had the most unforgettable time of their lives. But this morning...
Dude, where's my car?
They can't remember a thing.
It's Christy Boner, the hottest of the hot.
Hi, Jesse. I had a really good time with you last night.
Have you seen my car?
Well, I saw the back seat.
Oh, I'm talking about the whole thing.
Now, the only way to find their car...
No way we were here last night.
Look, it's Jesse and Chester!
...is to find out what they did and who they did it to.
Dude, you're a dude!